I wha would ken nae sic a gem, lest I was meant to tell ye. If briny clift our eastern lift, when Scotia's mists his early, wha ance a truce by michty Bruce would licht diffuse of freedom, by sword and quill, with blood congealed and ink it sealed to reading. Whar he'd we heard maun play a part that folk o' earth would mention, like mower stump and beacon lump frae sea and sic invention. Whar nowadays the bairnies play in trommy trains at jingle, and lollies iced, I sugaret spiced their tongues and twine to tingle. But whar indeed to lie your head and sleep or feed your belly, ging ye walloo the smoky hue, or rid tea brew of berry, wi' hame-made scones at plates had horn, and sweetie bonbon strippet, wi' comic cairds and witty wares that brak the strain o' living. 'Tis by the brine that hoddest time and oor sae fine to thedder, whar fisher folk the cod and walk fae lond or boat together. Nigh Craiby Creel the haven's meal, where wood and steel they merry, the taw blue sail that wind and gale their houkas bear to carry. There is a hoose your soul to soothe just o'er the blue quay's mouthy, wi' hons out rext and beds sae seft, a welcome his sae couthie. Through winter snaw, through autumn blaw, to spring sae braw and bloomin', to summer's rays by promenade and languor days illumin'. Whar ate your fill fae hearth ye will, nae need to mill for forage, for orange egg and smoky, set down by a peck of porridge, Sanita bill, and all yet still, and sage-like skill to please ye. Be it dreich or brecht, they sick de lichts, in Hairbour Nychtis gie ye. On eastern coast sae auld Arbroath was views they boast o' leisure, in yon wee place where time and space your een does grace for ever. So here's to them wha mak their hame and welcome daily metter, by licht or breeze, eve northern seas, in Scotia's wee toon Hairbour.